Hello everyone, and welcome to our English practice lesson today. I am Mr. Only, and I am very happy to help you learn English in a way that is slow and easy to understand. Today, we are focusing on a very important part of daily life. We are talking about how to greet your neighbors and your family members. Many people feel nervous when they see a neighbor on the street or when they talk to family in the morning. My goal today is to give you many examples of how to speak clearly and naturally. We will use simple words and slow sentences so you can follow every sound. Learning English is like building a house. You must start with a strong foundation. These greetings are your foundation. If you can say hello and ask how someone is doing, you will feel much more confident. Please listen carefully to the rhythm of our voices. Pay attention to how we use names like Mr. Only and Sara to show respect and friendship. We want you to feel comfortable and relaxed while you listen to us. Let us begin this journey together and improve your speaking and listening skills step by step. You are doing a great job just by being here today. Now let us move to the next part of our lesson.
Hello everyone, I am Sara, and I am excited to practice with you. Before we start our long conversation, I want to explain where we are. In our story today, Mr. Only and I are neighbors. We live in a quiet and friendly neighborhood with green trees and small houses. We also talk to our family members inside our homes. We use simple English that you can use every single day. You do not need big or difficult words to be polite and kind. When we speak to neighbors, we usually talk about the weather, our day, or our health. When we talk to family, we talk about breakfast, chores, and our plans for the afternoon. I will speak very slowly so you can hear every letter and every word. Please try to repeat the sentences after you hear them. This will help your tongue and your mouth get used to English sounds. Mr. Only and I will show you how to be a good neighbor and a loving family member through our words. Are you ready to listen to our long conversation? Let us start now.
Good morning, Sara. It is a very beautiful and sunny day today, is it not?
Good morning, Mr. Only. Yes, it is a wonderful day. The sun is very bright and the air feels very fresh. How are you doing this morning, Mr. Only?
I am doing very well. Thank you for asking, Sara. I was just thinking about watering my garden. My flowers look a little bit thirsty today. How are you, Sara?
I am also very good, Mr. Only. I am just walking to the small shop on the corner to buy some fresh bread for my breakfast. My family is waiting for me at home.
That sounds like a lovely morning plan, Sara. Fresh bread is always the best way to start the day. Is your family doing well today, Sara?
Yes, Mr. Only. They are all very healthy and happy. My brother is visiting us for the weekend. Do you have any big plans for your afternoon, Mr. Only?
I do not have many plans, Sara. I think I will just stay home and read a book after I finish my gardening. It is nice to have a quiet day. Do you have a lot of work to do today, Sara?
No, Mr. Only. I do not have much work today. It is my day off. I want to cook a big dinner for my family later. We are having chicken and rice. Do you like chicken and rice, Mr. Only?
I love chicken and rice, Sara. It is one of my favorite meals. You are a very kind person to cook for your family. They are very lucky to have you, Sara.
Thank you, Mr. Only. That is very nice of you to say. Oh, I see your cat sitting in the window. He looks very peaceful, Mr. Only. What is his name?
His name is Leo, Sara. He loves to sit in the sun and watch the birds. He is a very lazy cat, but he is very friendly. Have you seen any birds in your garden today, Sara?
Yes, Mr. Only. I saw 2 bluebirds near the apple tree this morning. They were singing very loudly. It made me feel very happy to hear them, Mr. Only.
I agree, Sara. The sound of birds is very relaxing. It is one of the best parts of living in this neighborhood. Everyone is so peaceful here, Sara.
I feel the same way, Mr. Only. I am very happy that we are neighbors. It makes me feel safe and happy to see you every day, Mr. Only.
That is very kind, Sara. I feel the same way about you. Well, I should let you go to the shop now. I do not want your family to wait too long for their bread, Sara.
You are right, Mr. Only. I should keep walking. It was very nice talking to you this morning. I hope your flowers grow very tall today, Mr. Only.
Thank you, Sara. Have a wonderful walk and give my greetings to your family. Goodbye for now, Sara.
Goodbye, Mr. Only. I will see you later this evening when I come back home. Have a great day, Mr. Only.
Wait a moment, Sara. I just remembered something. Did you see the mail carrier this morning, Sara?
No, Mr. Only, I have not seen the mail carrier yet. He usually comes around 11 o'clock. Are you expecting an important letter, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sara. I am waiting for a package from my sister. She lives in a different city and she sent me some photos. I hope it arrives today, Sara.
I hope it arrives for you too, Mr. Only. Receiving mail is always very exciting. If I see the mail carrier while I am walking, I will tell him you are waiting, Mr. Only.
That would be very helpful, Sara. Thank you so much for your help. You are always so thoughtful, Sara.
It is no problem at all, Mr. Only. We should always help our neighbors. That is what makes a community strong. Is there anything else you need from the shop, Mr. Only?
Actually, Sara, if they have any fresh milk, could you please buy 1 bottle for me? I forgot to buy some yesterday, Sara.
Of course, Mr. Only. I can certainly do that for you. I will buy a bottle of fresh milk and bring it to your house on my way back. Is that okay, Mr. Only?
That is perfect, Sara. Thank you. Here is the money for the milk. I appreciate your kindness very much, Sara.
You are very welcome, Mr. Only. It is my pleasure to help you. I will be back in about 20 minutes. See you soon, Mr. Only.
See you soon, Sara. Take your time and be careful crossing the street. Goodbye, Sara.
I will be careful. Goodbye. Now I want to explain some of the things we said in our conversation. When I said, "How are you doing?" I was asking Mr. Only about his life and his feelings. It is a very common way to be polite. Mr. Only answered by saying he was doing very well. This is a simple and good answer. We also used each other's names a lot. I said Mr. Only many times, and he said Sara many times. In English, using a person's name makes the conversation feel warm and friendly. Now let us practice some other small conversations. Imagine you are at home with your family. Good morning, Mom. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, Sara, I slept very well. Thank you for asking. Did you sleep well too, Sara?
Yes, Mom, I had a very good sleep. What are we having for breakfast today?
We are having eggs and toast, Sara. Can you please help me set the table, Sara?
Of course, Mom. I will get the plates and the spoons right now. Do you want some tea or some coffee, Mom?
I would like some hot tea, please, Sara. Tea makes me feel awake in the morning.
I will boil the water right now, Mom. Breakfast will be ready in 5 minutes. Now, let us try another one. Imagine you are talking to a neighbor you do not know very well.
Hello, I'm your new neighbor. My name is Mr. Only.
Oh, hello. It is nice to meet you, Mr. Only. My name is Sara. I live in the blue house across the street.
It is nice to meet you too, Sara. How long have you lived in this neighborhood, Sara?
I have lived here for 5 years, Mr. Only. It is a very quiet place to live. Do you like your new house, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah, I like it very much. The kitchen is very big, and I like the backyard.
That is wonderful, Mr. Only. If you need any help with anything, please let me know.
Thank you, Sarah. That is very kind of you. I'm happy to be your neighbor.
Now let us look at some variations. Sometimes we use different words for the same meaning. Instead of saying, "How are you?" you can say, "How's it going?" Let us try that.
Hey, Sarah, how's it going today?
It is going great, Mr. Only. I'm just cleaning my car. How's it going with you, Mr. Only?
Not bad, Sarah. I'm just taking a walk to get some exercise.
That is a good idea, Mr. Only. Walking is very healthy for the heart.
Yes, Sarah. I try to walk every day for 30 minutes. It helps me stay strong.
That is very impressive, Mr. Only. I should start walking more often too. You see, these conversations are very simple. We use the same patterns. We say hello, we ask a question, we answer the question, and we say something nice. Always remember to use the person's name. It shows you are listening. Let us do one more role play about the weather.
Mr. Only, do you think it's going to rain today?
I'm not sure, Mr. Only. The sky is getting a little bit gray. Why do you ask, Mr. Only?
I want to wash my car, Sarah, but if it rains, I will wait until tomorrow.
That is a smart idea, Mr. Only. The weather report says there might be a small storm this afternoon.
Oh, thank you for telling me, Sarah. I will stay inside and stay dry then.
You're welcome, Mr. Only. It is better to be safe than wet.
We have come to the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed listening to our conversations. Remember, the key to learning English is to practice a little bit every day. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a chance to learn something new. You did very well today by listening to this long script.
Yes, you did a great job. Please try to use these sentences when you talk to your neighbors or your family. You can start with a simple hello and then use the person's name. It will make them smile and it will make you feel proud of your English. We believe in you and we know you can do it.
Practice speaking these lines out loud. Listen to the way Sara and I speak slowly and clearly. This will help your pronunciation become much better. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
English is a beautiful language and it connects us all. Thank you for spending your time with Mr. Only and me today. We are very happy to be your teachers.
Goodbye for now, everyone. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day and keep speaking English.